Today we're going to be taking a look at the QQH Z80A. Now these are 15.6 inch Type-C triple portable monitors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this set up and we're going to have a look at what you can actually do with this bad boy. All right, let's take a look at this. I actually cannot get this in view. I just wanted to have a first quick look. These are really thin. I like this. I like that. I have used triple monitors before and they actually end up being quite bulky and heavy, but these are actually quite thin and light, which is fantastic, especially for a portable unit. Let's get this set up. So the Z80A does come with a thumb drive that is USB-A and USB-C. This will have your drivers on it, so just look up what operating system your computer is using with Mac or Windows, then find the right correlating driver and install that first. You do have some different screen configurations you can set up. The first one we're looking at here is a screen extension. So basically it's going to use all three of the screens to create one big one that you can use as one giant desktop. Then second, what you can do is a mirror. So whatever is on your main screen will just get mirrored onto the other two screens. So this would be great if you are trying to show a presentation to someone. I'll show you at the end another way we can actually configure this. And then this is what is amazing. You can actually set this up in a vertical manner so that you can use this as a vertical portable monitor to connect to your laptop, or in this case, a mini PC. This is going to allow you to have a much better portable option as far as using that second monitor from work to a home office or a gaming and streaming situation without having to lug around a heavy monitor. To set your monitor up like this, you will want to go to your settings, choose display, select on the external monitor and scroll down until you find display orientation. You will want to select that to portrait or portrait flipped. So touching back on the presentation, you can actually set these up in a triangle so a whole circle of people can see the same thing that you're presenting. So that really is just a really quick look at the Z80A, these triple monitors. I do want to point out a couple more things. On the back comes with a built-in stand so you can actually have them on an angle. This is going to be your power and you're connecting to your laptop. Now you can get away with just connecting it to your laptop. If your laptop or device does not support an output of 5V or 3A, an external power is required, and that's what you're going to be using right there. Once again, these are incredibly thin, which makes it incredibly lightweight. You do have individual controls for each screen on each monitor if you want to adjust brightness, contrast, or even turn one off. Now my favorite feature, of course, is the fact it can be folded up and then set up as a vertical monitor, and then they can fold away to something relatively small. So if the QQH Z80A is a product that you are interested in, we are going to leave a link in the description. Please feel free to leave a comment below about your favorite feature. Like, share the video, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.